Good morning. This is Urban Cowgirl coming live from Urban Paradise Homestead. I'm actually in my tiny home. I'm in my kitchen with my refrigerator door open because I need help. And the help is I need my refrigerator back, folks. Look at all the abundance of eggs that the girls have given us. They're fresh, they're clean, they're packaged, they're ready to go. I need my refrigerator back. Please help me. I love you guys. We're getting ready for the Christmas holiday. We're already in it. Time is running out. I've dropped the price down from $4 a dozen to $3 a dozen. What do you want me else to do? Come on, don't be a Scrooge. Be a giver. Remember when Scrooge saw the light after the three spirits visited him on Christmas Eve? Well, don't wait for Christmas Eve. I need these eggs. Be gone. The girls did their job. $3 a dozen for the whole month of December. Let's go, people. Support Urban Cowgirl, Miss Paradise. I love you guys.